In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add time price opportunity, quick and easy. We'll be doing this directly inside Tradingview. So go ahead and open up any chart you'd like to work with. It can be a stock, crypto pair, forex pair, or any other asset. Once your chart is loaded, make sure you're in the standard chart view, not in settings or another page, so you can see all the usual tools and menus. The first thing you want to do is move your mouse to the top of the chart and look for the indicators button. This is usually near the top of the screen, above your price candles, and next to things like timeframes and layout options. Click on Indicators. This opens up the main indicators and strategies window, where you can search for and add all kinds of tools to your chart. Inside this indicators window, you'll see different tabs or categories. Look for the one labeled Technicals. This section groups together common, built-in technical tools provided by the platform. Go ahead and click on Technicals. Taking this step helps narrow everything down so you don't have to scroll through scripts, community indicators, or other categories that aren't relevant right now. Once you're in the Technicals section, you'll see more organized groups. You want to find and click on Profiles. Profiles are a family of indicators that show how price and volume behave over time at different levels, which is where time price opportunity comes in. Clicking on Profiles will reveal the available profile style tools you can add to your chart. Now, in the Profiles list, look for time price opportunity. It may be abbreviated or listed alongside similar tools, but it should clearly say time price opportunity. When you see it, simply click on it once. After you click, Tradingview will automatically apply the time price opportunity indicator to your chart. You should notice a new visual overlay appear, usually along the price axis or within the chart area, showing how much time price has spent at different levels. From here, you can hover over the indicator's name at the top of the chart to access its settings, adjust colors, visibility, and other preferences to match your trading style and make it easier to read. Finally, if you decide you want more advanced features, more indicators on your chart at once, or additional tools that come with a paid plan, feel free to use the affiliate link in the description to upgrade to TradingView Pro and unlock those extra capabilities.